Markowitz from the past class at Western High School. Welcome to another edition of Marvelous Mug Cooking. What are we making today? I don't know. Well, let me look at my recipe, which I have in front of me. In order to be able to cook, it's good to follow the recipe. We are making chilaquiles in a taza. A what? A taza today. A taza is mug in Spanish. So, why am I wearing this? Well, there's something coming up in a couple of weeks, October 31st, so we'll leave that without being said. So, let's get started. Today, we need cooking spray, we need salt and pepper, we need cilantro, we need cheese, we need tortilla chips, and we need eggs, which I have right over here, 2 eggs. I've already gotten all my ingredients laid out because to me that's just an easy way to do it. I also have my measuring spoons laid out and my measuring cups, but this recipe does not call for measuring cups. It mostly calls for measuring spoons. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your mug and you're going to spray it with cooking spray. Voila! Now I'm going to close it back up because now I've already sprayed my mug. The next thing that you're going to do is take your crushed tortilla chips. Now, when you take them out of the bag, they're not crushed. So my helpful hint today is put your tortilla chips in a baggie, close the baggie up, and crush those chips. Crush them. Good. Crushed. Take the chips and put them into the mug that you've already sprayed with cooking spray. Now you're going to take your eggs and crack them in a bowl because we can't put our eggs in here, haha. So we're going to crack them. So we're going to crack 1, 2 thumbs. Put your egg shells to the side always. And remember, your towel can be over your shoulder and you're going to wipe your fingers because you have raw egg. Crack number 2 into my bowl. Put your shell to the side and wipe off your hands. And you can either keep it on your shoulder, if that's not okay, then you keep it near you where you can always touch your hands to it. You're going to take half the cheese and half the salsa and you're going to put it into the bowl with your eggs. So this is what I did as my another hint for you. Pre-measure your stuff out like we used to do in school. Salsa, cheese, cilantro. In cups already measured out. So that way you're ready to just add it. So you're going to take, this is half the salsa. I've already measured it in here. It calls for 3 tablespoons of salsa. So I have 1.5 tablespoons of salsa in here. So I'm going to put it in here. But first, you needed to whisk your eggs. So we're going to whisk our eggs. And then we're going to pour the salsa in. Okay, eggs are all whisked. And now half the cheese. It calls for 4 tablespoons of cheese. I've already measured out 2 tablespoons here, and I'm going to pour it right in. It also asks for hot sauce, but I'm not going to use hot sauce because I don't have any, and I don't prefer hot sauce in my food. It's up to you if you like it hot or if you don't like it hot. That's up to you. So you're going to take a spoon, and you're going to move this around, or you can take your whisk again and you can whisk it. Now I'm going to take the ingredients that I've made in my bowl and I'm going to pour them into my mug over my chips. Over my chips. Put it into the microwave. Calls for 3 minutes. You can either press 3 if you have an express on your microwave, or you can press 300 and then hit start. I wait 3 minutes. Bing! 3 minutes is up. I go inside. If you have a glove, it's already hot, so let it cool. Take out your glove. Take out your dish. And now the rest of the salsa goes on top and the rest of the cheese. So you're going to take another tablespoon of salsa right here. Put it right on top of that hot dish. And you're going to take 2 more tablespoons of cheese. So you can take your tablespoon again, dip it in your cheese, 1 and 2. Now the cheese should be starting to melt just a little bit on top because it's hot. Take a little bit of salt and pepper, put it on top, and take cilantro. It says chopped cilantro, so I already took the cilantro and chopped it. All you have to do is tear off the leaf like this and just rip it with your hands and make a tablespoon. Pour it right on top. Take your spoon, dip it in, the best part. Are you ready? I am. Delicious. See you in class.